Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to use your school printer. First, find a printer, usually in the library or a computer lab. You will need to log in using your student identification and password. Before you begin, always check that your account has enough print credits. This ensures a smooth printing experience without interruptions. It's a simple first step to getting your documents printed quickly and efficiently. Now, let's send your document to the printer. Open the file you wish to print and navigate to the print option, typically found in the File menu. From the list of available printers, select the one you intend to use. Take a moment to adjust any necessary settings, such as the number of copies, specific page ranges, or whether you want color versus black and white. This step ensures your document prints exactly as you need it. Once your document is sent, head to the printer you selected. You will need to log in again using your student credentials on the printer's screen. Your print job should appear in the queue. Select it to confirm. After confirmation, the printer will begin processing your request. Collect your printed documents promptly from the output tray. Remember to check for all your pages before leaving the printer area. Sometimes, things don't go as planned. If your print job doesn't appear, first check for common issues like paper jams or low toner. If problems persist, do not hesitate to contact your school's IT support for assistance. Finally, and this is very important, always remember to log out of the printer after you have collected your documents. This protects your account and ensures privacy for all users. Happy printing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.